Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel BBTechHub. So today I'm here with some basic network troubleshoot commands. So in a single video, I cannot complete all the commands. So from today onwards, 2 to 3 videos, I will go for these basic commands. Because I think who are the beginners when they're studying networking, they face several problems while configuring a network. So it will be my suggestion, if you go through all these commands, I think you can do the basic level of troubleshooting and it will be very helpful. So now the first command, here I have mentioned several commands, you can see it. All will be very helpful commands. One is the ipconfig. I will go for the getmac. I will go for the ping, tracert, ARP, path ping, and etc. There are several commands, but these are the very basic commands we should know while we are dealing with a network. So today, the first command I am dealing, that is nothing but my ping. So you know na, what is the full form of ping? The full form of ping is Packet Internet Gopher. The question, when we need it. Suppose I have configured a network and I'm going to start transferring the data. But before starting the communication, we should check whether this connectivity has established properly or not. That means if this machine wants to send the data, so does this machine is receiving this message from the sender? So unless until clearing the path between the two devices, our data transmission is useless. So ping command is used to check the connectivity between two devices. Is it clear? So we say it is an utility which is used to check the connectivity between the devices. This ping command दो message use करता है. One is called ICMP echo, another is request, another is the ICMP echo reply. So for your kind information, I would like to mention over here, this ping command, when we are running in the backend, one protocol is working, that is called ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. ये OSI का एक layer 3 protocol है. Layer 3 means network layer protocol and it's very much important. So whenever we are running this ping command on backend, this protocol is working. And here there are two messages are there. First, the sender device is sending a request, and upon receiving this request, the receiver will send a reply. You see the same thing. The sender is send a small data packet called as ICMP request to a target device. And the sender expects a response, of course, from the destination host, which is called as ICMP echo. Am I clear? That means whenever there is a question of communication, whether it is a data communication, what type of communication I'm doing, a sender expects a return from the destination so that sender get confirmed whether data has been received properly or not. Now, so this ping command is very useful in this situation. What are the use of this ping command? So my dear everyone, see it. It is used to check the network connectivity. It is used to check the network latency. It detects the packet loss and also troubleshoot some basic network problems. Okay. So whenever we go for the output, we can say 3 types of output for a ping. One is the success, another is the failure, another is the packet loss. Because how I can understand what is happening in my network? I have to check whether my data has a reachability path or not toward the destination. Suppose I have sent a echo request to 10.1.1. system. Suppose this is my 10.1.1.2 who is sending a request to 10.1.1.1. And you see a reply is coming. Is it? And you see this is called a successful reply. This is a successful reply. That means destination has received the request and reply also. Okay. So here you see the statistics. Send 4 packets, receive 4 packets, and data loss is 0. That means 0% loss. That means it is a 100% successful communication. Is it? You can say it takes minimum 10 milliseconds, maximum 12 milliseconds. So average is 11 milliseconds. Okay. You can see over is a word that is round trip time. I will come to another video with this round trip time and also that with TTL. Now in this example, packet loss is 0% that I told you. The round trip time were 10 to 12 milliseconds. So when it is a 10 to 12 milliseconds, so everyone, that means it is a very fast connectivity. That means the connectivity between the sender and receiver is very fast. Data will reach very fastly. And this 0% loss is saying it is a successful ping. This is also showing the IP address of the destination host. You can see here it is showing that reply is coming from. Be careful. Okay. Number of bytes, that is the packet size. You can see this is the packet size is 32 bytes. Have you seen, everyone? The round trip time in milliseconds. You can see this is my round trip time and this is my TTL. So in this video, I'm not going to discuss about this RTT, round trip time, and the TTL, time to live. Okay. Now, if it is the failure, then what message will come? Request timeout. That means what? The destination host is not responding. Okay. Destination host unreachable. That means my request could not reach the destination host due to maybe some network issue. An unknown host. That means maybe there is a name resolution issue. Name resolution issue means always remember there must be a DNS issue. So when this type of problem comes, once we go for the basic level of DNS troubleshooting. And last is the output is the packet loss. That means if it is showing the 0% loss means data transmitted 100%. If the number of packet senders, if these numbers are different, that means it is sending 4 packet and receiving 4. That means 0% loss. Sending 4, receiving 1. That means when these are different, that means there is a packet loss situation. Okay. So these are the 3 output of a ping command. What are those? One is the success, another is the failure, and third is my packet loss. Am I clear, everyone? Now practically we can see this thing, and I will show 2 to 3 switches of ping command also. Okay. So now see what is the IP of this system. And I have another system also. So here is also I'm typing ipconfig. So this is 10.1.1.2. This is, so I'm just pinging that destination IP. Am I getting the reply? Everybody? Hello, everyone. Is it a successful ping? You see, send 4 packet and receive 4 and the loss is 0. That means it's a successful ping. Now you see over here, by default, we get 4 replies. How many replies? You can see that is 4 replies. Do you want to change this number? Then just what to do? You write minus n, and how many reply you want? I want 11 replies. You see. Everybody, observe it. How many reply I am getting? I will get exactly 11 replies. Okay. So when we give the minus n switch, and then the value, we will get those many replies. Fine. Now, you see over here, the by default, the packet size is 32. I want to change the packet size. So what I will do, I will write the L. L means the length, size. And here, suppose I want it should be 67. And then enter. Hello. What you are getting, the packet size is 67. Am I clear, everybody? Now sometimes happen, I want to see continuously the connectivity. So at that moment, what I am going to do, I just add minus T. What I will do, I will go for minus T. You can keep this parameter or else you can remove it also. Now see what I am getting. I am getting this continuous thinking. That means, my dear, you can see one thing over here. These are the ping switches. So what are the switches? Minus L, it defines the size of the packet. If you can go for N, N is number of replies we are expecting. Then can go for T, that is nothing but my, what I will show, I want to see the continuous connectivity. And another we can go, that is ping space minus A, what it show. Okay, so what we are going to do, that is ping space minus A space destination. Hello, have you observed? I'm just without minus A also, I'm showing you the reply. Now you see, here you get only the IP address, but here you will get the host name also. So when we add this minus A parameter, what happens? This minus A parameter, when we give, we get the host name of the destination PC also. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. So you understood what are the switches I have shown you? I have shown you minus L, minus N, minus T, and minus A. So these are the basic concept regarding the ping command. Okay. So today up to this, in the next video, I will come up with the RTT and the TTL. Thank you.